Have you ever heard of Photo 51? It's a picture that changed the world, unlocking the very secret of life itself. But the story of the brilliant woman behind that image, Rosalind Franklin, is one you might not know. It's a tale of genius, perseverance, and a legacy that was almost lost to history. Born in London in 1920, Rosalind was exceptionally bright. From a young age, she knew she wanted to be a scientist even when it wasn't a common path for women. She earned her PhD in physical chemistry from Cambridge University and became a world-class expert in X-ray crystallography. Think of it as a way to take pictures of things that are incredibly tiny, like molecules. Her work on the structure of coal was so important it helped the British war effort during World War II. In 1951, she joined King's College London to study DNA. At the time, scientists knew DNA carried genetic information, but they had no idea what it looked like or how it worked. Using her meticulous techniques, Rosalind and her student Raymond Gosling captured stunningly clear images of the DNA molecule. The most famous of these was the legendary Photo 51. This single X-ray image was the crucial piece of evidence. It clearly showed that DNA had a helical or spiral structure. Here's where the story takes a complicated turn. Without her permission, a colleague showed Photo 51 to two other scientists, James Watson and Francis Crick. This image was the aha moment for them. It confirmed their theories and allowed them to quickly build their now famous double helix model of DNA. In 1953, they published their model, barely mentioning Franklin's critical contribution. A few years later, in 1962, Watson, Crick, and Franklin's colleague received the Nobel Prize for the discovery. Tragically, Rosalind Franklin had passed away 4 years earlier from cancer at the young age of 37. The Nobel Prize is awarded posthumously, so she was never officially recognized for her monumental work in her lifetime. Today, however, we know the truth. Rosalind Franklin was not just a helper. She was a pioneer. Her dedication and scientific brilliance laid the essential groundwork for understanding our genetic code. Her story reminds us to always look deeper and to celebrate the unsung heroes of science who changed our world. Thank you for watching. If you found this story as inspiring as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more untold stories from history. See you next time.